Hi, I'm Yakiba. I'm a student at DSDT, and this is my why DSDT. I chose DSDT because I heard that it was an excellent school. I heard also a lot of great things as far as the digital marketing program here, and so I wanted to apply that knowledge to my brand, which is House of Salt. I do hair, and I have hair products. And so I'm working on getting those products in stores, but I really wanted to stop and learn the digital marketing side of how to run a business. Today we learned about blog posts and, using cameras. And so I'm going to learn how to use the cinema camera. I can't wait to learn that. I've always been fascinated with cameras and just the behind the scenes working with cameras and movies and how to shoot the angles and everything. And so I can't wait to use that part of the digital marketing program. Actually, I'm really excited for that, not just for my products, but shooting life in general. And this is my why DSDT.